Hello, everyone. I hope you all are doing amazing. Welcome to tonight's call. I hope you all are ready, guys. I see you tuning in from Colorado, Houston, South Africa. That's super awesome, guys. Keep on coming, guys. Where are you tuning in from? Egypt, Algeria, Alexandria, the Bahamas. Damn. That's amazing, guys. I love to see it. So many people here on the call. I'm super excited to be one of your hosts today, guys. I'm Alina, 27 years old from Germany, right now in California. So a little bit more to my story. I'm in entrepreneurship since almost 2 years now, and I've literally started from scratch. I was jobless when I joined this business. When I was learning about trading and investing, I didn't know anything about this industry. I didn't know marketing, nothing at all, and I was able to build a 6-figure business in 7 months, guys. And I just want to tell you that it's possible no matter what situation you're in right now. I know right now it's layoff season, recession, inflation is kicking in, guys, but I don't want to talk so much about my story. I actually want to ask you guys, what is your personal goal? What is something that you always wanted to do? What is something that you dreamed of? Yesterday, we had an absolutely amazing call with one of our mentors, guys, and he's also here in the end trading with us, and you will get to know him later on a little bit more. But he was hosting an amazing call yesterday about goal setting, about why. And it's so important, guys. The minute that you figure out why you really want to do something and you get emotionally connected with a goal that is so far out of your reach that it almost scares you, but you really get excited about it, this is a really, really good type of goal. Retire my wife from her job. I love to see that. I love to hear that. I want to retire my mom, guys. That is one of my biggest goals. Okay. I really want to build a solid future for myself. I grew up with a bad money mindset. I was always struggling, always in the minus with my bank account, and I almost had existing anxiety. And I know that that's reality for a lot of people out there. So I want to be that person that steps into that potential, into my full potential, and is able to help a lot of people out there, and obviously my future generations, my future family, right? I love to see it, guys. Pay off debt and travel more, to be a humanitarian, open many schools and hospitals for people in Haiti. Oh my God, I love this. I love this, guys, because in the end, guys, it's about growth and contribution, right? We're human beings. We are meant to grow. If you're not growing, you're dying. And what I love so much about this industry, that you really have to personally grow, that you really have to personally develop, right? Because as much as you personally grow, your business grows with you. And if you don't grow, you're going backwards, you're dying, right? So I want you for tonight to have an open mindset about what we're talking about, and really think towards this session, guys, what you really, really want. Because in the end, yes, we're talking money right here. We're talking big numbers here. We will trade in the end as well, but it's not just only about the money. The money is just the tool, right? The money is a tool to that freedom, that time freedom, that that freedom that you want to create for yourself, to create a better future for yourself and your family, right? It's just the tool. So I want to introduce you guys to somebody really special. He's one of the top leaders here. He hit some major goals recently, guys. And yes, this is recorded. He hit some major goals recently, and I'm super proud of him. I wouldn't be here without him. If it wasn't for him, I wouldn't be here. I'm so grateful for him, because he's not just only helping me so much grow, but also help my team grow. He's one of the most selfless person, most genuine people that I know. And I want to introduce you guys to Nick Gregorio.
Thank you so much, Alina. Can you guys hear me? Can you guys just drop a 111 in the chat if you guys can hear me okay? Amazing, guys. I want to give it back. Keep dropping those ones for Alina, guys. She did a phenomenal job just setting the tone of this call. I always have to give it back to her. I have to give praise back, because she said a lot of nice things. I could say 10 times as many nice things back right to her, guys. If you get to work with her personally, guys, she is an absolute superstar. She's hitting massive goals as well. The team that she's building, the heart that she has for her people in the organization, it is just bar none, guys. So if you guys get to work closely with her, get a chance to talk to her, hear her story in depth, guys, she's going to be an absolute superstar in this industry. So Alina, I'm so grateful for you to be working with you. But guys, before we get kicked off, I don't necessarily want to tell too much of my story. because at the end of the day, you guys really don't care, right? Maybe some of you might, some of you really don't. But I want to tell you anyways, just so that you guys can just really understand, it doesn't matter who you are, where you're from, if you're from Yale, if you're from jail, it doesn't matter. You can have success here with what we're doing. See, first off, you guys are going to be left with the decision at the end of this call, the same decision that I was left with 11 years ago when I saw this industry, when I saw network marketing, when I saw an opportunity for myself to change my life. See, when I saw this industry, I was 19 years old. I was broke. I was the definition of broke, busted, and disgusted. Like, you guys could literally look it up in the dictionary. You'd probably see my picture in there 3 times. And, I was a single father. I was going to college. My son was 15 months old. I was really struggling, guys. And I can tell you what, I don't know what everybody's story is here on this call. I don't know where you're at in your life. I know a lot of people got hurt during the pandemic. A lot of people are getting hurt with inflation and everything going on right now. Some of you guys are maybe just looking for a way out. Maybe you're just looking for additional income. You're not really hurting. You're maybe in a good spot and you're just wanting to grow. Look, I was in a position where I wanted all of it. I had no sense of direction. And I remember that morning, it was January of 2012. I woke up and I looked at my bank account. I had $14 in my bank account. And I was just like, damn, this just cannot be it. Like, I don't know what I'm doing. I'm going to school for business. It's not really what I want to be doing. I'm playing football so that I can get through school fast, get school paid for. I wasn't really looking to go to the NFL. I was just looking to take care of my son. I was really looking to leave a legacy, to actually grow into the man that, that my parents could be proud of, that my family could be proud of. That's what I was looking to do. And now I had this little guy, this 15-month-old kid that was going to eventually be really looking up to me as he got older and more aware, guys. And I can tell you what, because I said yes to that phone call, instead I said, yes, I will go check out some information, and I made the right decision 11 years ago, I'm here today, and it completely 180'd my life. Now my son's 11 years old, and he gets to see his dad every single day. He actually, has been with me by my side every single day, and I'm so grateful that I said yes. So guys, if you're on this call, whoever invited you, I say this every single call, reach out to the person that got you on this call and just say thank you, okay? But at the end of this call, you're going to make a decision, okay? Now, based on where you're currently at, whether you see this or you don't, in the next 12 months, I need you guys to ask this question as we're going through this information. And over the next year, the next 12 months, you guys made, every year, the new year, it's, 26 days in, everybody makes a New Year's resolution, right? They make a goal. They set something for themselves like, hey, this year's going to be different. This is my year. I'm going to make changes, okay? Angel numbers on the call. We're at 113. Guys, keep it coming, okay? So the thing is, you made a goal for yourself. You're 26 days in. How committed are you been to that goal? Look, the first 90 days of this year is going to determine how your 2023 is going to look. If you don't get the first 90 days right and start making different decisions, it's going to look the same. It's going to look the same. It could possibly look worse, but you need to ask yourself, at the end of this year, is your life going to look better? Is it going to look worse, or is it going to look the same? Okay, you guys obviously want it to look better. So you guys are going to be left with a decision. So I'm going to jump into the information with you guys and show you why I made the decision to partner up with MDC, with My Daily Choice and Akashx, because I saw something that was going to make my 2023 absolutely better. Matt, if you can give me hosts or sharing capabilities. I don't have the ability to share my screen right now. Thank you, brother. Appreciate it. So guys, I'm going to go through and just share my screen with you. So the platform that we're going to show you guys, a lot of you guys are on here wanting to learn how to invest your money, how to go out there and multiply your money. We're going to show you this through Akashx, our platform, okay? But real quick, before we dive into the platform, you guys need to understand, there's risk involved, okay? Now, there's risk involved in anything that you do. The biggest risk is actually not taking any risk at all. I just want you guys to be aware that no matter what you're doing, guys, it's risky, right? Investing in your 401k, it's risky. And going to work every day, it's risky, right? Having one source of income in 2023 is risky. So I just have to destroy that notion where people are like, there's risk involved with investing. I'm scared to invest. Guys, look, you should be scared not to invest. You should be scared not to take a risk on yourself. Now, understanding this, I need you to know Akashx, the platform, and My Daily Choice, we don't handle your money. We're not trading your money for you. We're not going out there and earning anything off of your investments. This is what Akashx is, guys. We are an educational platform that's going to provide you with cutting edge tools in a community to go out there and master investing, okay? To go out there to learn a skill set, to go out there and be able to do it for yourself, okay? That's the most important thing. Now, when it comes to investing, you need to understand what makes up the trading industry. See, there's 3 major markets that we're going to show you guys how to take advantage of, okay? The first one is the most familiar. You guys are all familiar with the stock market. It was worth 95 trillion in 2021. This is a massive market, okay? Now, what's even bigger is we're also going to help show you how to take part in the foreign exchange market, also short as the Forex market. Now, a lot of people are starting to know what this is. It's starting to become more dominant. Okay, a lot of companies are getting involved in this space. And the reason why you guys don't really probably know about it is because retail trading didn't become a big thing until 2009. Okay, as technology grew, access to this market grew as well. Guys, this market does $5.3 trillion a day. That's huge. This is 10 times larger than the stock market, okay? So there's a lot of opportunity. Why wouldn't you guys want a piece of this pie? If you guys don't know it already, you guys are already participating in this market, but you're making no profit. The banks are making profit off of you, okay? Might as well get a sliver, get a slice of the pie, guys, because if they're doing it, why not you too? Now, the crypto market as well, we're going to show you guys how to capitalize on crypto. Now, a lot of people, you know about Bitcoin, this coin, that coin, Ripple, Ethereum, all these, big cryptocurrencies. A lot of people are still kind of sheltered off to it. But guys, this is an $850 billion market cap industry, okay? It's going to grow. Now, if you don't think this is real, guys, the IRS, the SEC, the FTC, they're accepting forms of payment in crypto. If the government's involved, it's probably smart that you get involved before they fully take over, okay? So the growth of the trading market is so important to know, guys, because this is a recession-proof skill set at the end of the day. Once you guys learn this skill set, you guys can literally make money at will. Okay, so hundreds of companies, like I said, are flooding the market in the industry. Now, what's that going to do? The foreign exchange market is expected to grow by almost $2 trillion by 2026, and cryptocurrencies are expected to rise by 16.4% a year. Guys, that is massive growth. Why would you not want to participate in 2 markets that are expected to draw more than double in size over the next few years? Why not get a piece of that pie? Why not learn a new skill? Okay, it's not hard. So this is how we're actually going to teach you. Now, I'm not going to actually just go over these slides. They're great. The slides explain everything, but I'm going to actually show you guys the platform because I feel like it's more personable. You guys actually get to see what you get, okay? So this is the Akashx platform. When you guys actually log in, you're going to have a getting started video. This is a true plug and play platform, guys. You guys can literally get involved. You don't have to talk to nobody, and you guys can go in here and get plugged in and start making money. Matt, our business partner, put together a phenomenal video walking you through step-by-step what to do, okay? You're also going to get access to live sessions with educators that are going to teach you and show you where to get in, where to get out of the market, what they're looking at, how to analyze the market. They're going to teach you the skill, guys. So you see today we had 15 classes. Now, this is in my time zone, so I'm Pacific Standard Time. If you guys are East Coast, if you guys are, Central Time, if you guys are across overseas, this will translate to your time zone. But you guys can see here, there's multiple sessions throughout the day, so there's no excuse why you can't learn, right? There's multiple educators to learn from. If you guys want to see the full live schedule, we have it Monday through Sunday. You can see when everybody's on, so you can detail this out to your guys' actual, your schedule, your daily schedule. So if you guys are working a full-time job, a part-time job, going to school, you have kids, you have a husband, you're babysitting, ladies, that's for you, right? There's always that joke flying around. But whatever you're doing, you guys are going to be able to work this around your schedule. Now, all these sessions are all also recorded. So if you guys miss a session, you have stuff going on. Look, my son's 11. He's very busy. Okay, he plays sports. He has school events going on. He has friends he wants to hang out with. He has a lot of stuff going on. Look, if I can't be on a session for whatever reason, I can always go back and watch a replay, right? I can always go back if I have to miss part of it, go back and watch, the session later. Now, another thing that you're going to get, guys, is the academy. So you're not just going to have live sessions. We're going to actually walk you through step by step how to actually learn what Forex is, what is crypto, what is binary options. Guys, we're going to teach you, okay? So you start in our academy. We have a beginner's academy, an advanced academy, and then expert academy as well. Now, what I really love about this, guys, this is in multiple languages. So it's not subtitled, it's not in captions, it's actually in the language. So if you want to watch it in French, all the videos are in French, guys, or, you know, Chinese, English, German, Greek, you guys, you name it, we got it, okay? Which I really love. Now, we have platform tutorials as well, guys. So the platforms that we use outside that you can actually trade on, this is what all retail traders use, most retail traders actually, okay? We're going to show you step-by-step how to use these platforms, okay? All you have to do is just come and watch the videos, how to use the app version, right? We're going to show you exactly what to do. Now, the thing that's a game changer in our academy is the Educator Academy, okay? So when you come in here, see, I've been a part of other platforms before. They have phenomenal educators. They have phenomenal education and sessions and whatnot. But the number one thing that I would see that would happen is that people would go and hop on a live session and they get kind of lost, right? They get confused. What's going on? So what we've done is we created an Educator Academy where it's very personalized, where you can actually get to know the educators, okay? You get to know the educators on a personal level. So let's say you're going through here and you're like, hey, I want to learn from Anna. Anna trades S&P 500. I heard she's a beast. You guys, she has a course that goes step by step on what she goes over on her live sessions. So you can get familiar with Anna, understand her lingo, her strategy, what she's looking for in the market before you even hop on a live session. If you wanted to learn binary options for some of the best on here, like you have Mr. Ness Velasquez, guys, he was on a previous platform I was in. I learned from him every single day. This guy's an absolute beast in the market. I remember when he took binary options, I was on the call where he actually, you know, really woke people up to this. Guys, this is someone you want to learn from, okay? And we have also a bunch of other phenomenal educators that do just as good of a job, guys, that we have. We have over 15 plus educators to learn from. So you're not going to be lost. You guys just have to plug in, find out who makes sense to you, who you like, you know, because everybody learns differently from other people, okay? So not only that, not only are you going to be able to learn from the educators live, guys, we actually have provided signals and trade ideas that are sent out to you. So you can see here, there was one just sent out 4 minutes ago by Rich. He's giving you some notes, some information, and you guys can literally come in here and copy these trades and place them on your platform. So it's a copy paste. You can profit, okay? So you can make money alongside the educator. So while you're learning, if you're somebody that's brand new, okay, that doesn't know anything, you guys can make money while you're learning. Now, even for you guys that maybe have a little bit of experience, look, I've been trading for 4.5 years, okay? I actually got involved in this industry in 2017. Guys, even though I can trade on my own, I still like to be able to take trades from other people when I'm out busy doing other things. I can actually live my life and make money with other people. People that are actually even better than me inside of the markets. Why wouldn't you want to have leverage like that? Now, we actually have crypto trade ideas. We have binary option trade ideas, commodity trade ideas, indices, and stocks coming soon. Guys, look, this is all on one platform, by the way. If you hadn't noticed, this is an all-in-one platform. And I'm going to blow you away at the end on what you get. Now, we have scanners coming through, okay? Beginning in February, you're going to have scanners. Now, these scanners are going to have built-in algorithms, guys, where you can learn strategies that are built in on the scanner. It's going to do about 75, I would say about 70 to 75% of the work for you. So you just have to plug in, learn the strategy, and you guys can literally go in and actually learn the strategy and trade on your own, right? And it's going to be so simplified. Now, what I'm about to show you guys, the other tools, okay, for you new people, you might get a little lost here, but look, when you guys start to get more advanced with trading, okay, you guys are going to get access to market research analysis, okay? We're going to provide you a bunch of market research. So you see here, 7 hours ago, there's an article on JPY, right, on Euro, on CAD, on Litecoin, on Ripple. Guys, there's so much information here that we're doing for you. We have calendars. So we have a crypto calendar where it's talking about what's going on in the crypto industry. So you see right here, boom, I can click here and go to Twitter, and I can see what's going on with this crypto pair. It's already done for, the research is done for you guys. Now, another thing is, if you guys, you guys that have been trading for a little bit and you're looking at this platform for the first time, guys, you no longer have to have 20, 30 tabs open looking for market news. It's done for you. You can see here tomorrow, there is the red folder news here on the USD I can click here and see the information on it. It takes me directly to the website, okay? It's going to tell you the frequency, the usual effect. Guys, you're going to get all the information you need, the significance. So it's going to break it down for you. So even if you're somebody that's new and you're learning about news and what's going on in the market, what affects the fluctuation of currencies, you guys are going to have all the information already done for you, okay? We also provide other resources and tools from a crypto hot list from TradingView, okay? We have TradingView actually built in on the platform. You guys can mark up charts from TradingView right here in the platform. We actually have MetaTrader actually built into the platform as well. Let me show you this, okay? So I just set this up just so I can show you guys, okay? Boom, I can go in here and I can log in to an account and trade directly from the platform. You guys don't have to leave the platform. You don't have to download MetaTrader on your computer. You can download it on your phone. You don't have to. You guys can just log in from the platform itself. It's so simplified. The technology, what I love is Josh, the CEO, guys, he owns all this tech. He builds it out himself. And it was crazy because I can tell you what, a month ago, this platform didn't look like this. He literally built this in 4 weeks, guys, and absolutely crushed it. And there's still more updates, more things coming, guys. It's going to be absolutely amazing. We have Forex market hours, so you guys know when the market hours are open. Okay, right now the Asian session is open for you guys that trade Asian pairs. We have given you stuff on technical indicators. There's a lot size calculator that is, determining the lot size inside of your trade, so you understand proper risk management of your account. There's a profit calculator, so you can just see where you're going to make profit in the market from open to close price, and much other tools that you guys get access to. It's just absolutely incredible, guys, that you get access to all this tools. Now, remember, I said it's an all-in-one platform, okay? This is truly a trading platform designed by traders, for new people. It's simplified, okay? It's super, super simple to use. Not only that, we have a mobile app, okay? We have a mobile app on the phone. Let me just show you guys real quick. I'm not going to log in because it's going to take a minute to do that, but we have a mobile app right here on the phone, okay, that has everything already here for you. You guys have here live sessions. You have the trade alerts. You have the academies built in, okay? You can access the live sessions. You can access all the trade alerts all on this platform, the community chats that you have, everything on one app, all in one platform, everything, okay? Now, it's one cost for this entire platform, okay? All one cost. So right now until February 1st, it is $149 for everything. $149 per month for everything. Now, starting February 1st, it's going to go up by $50. It's going up to $199. So for now, you guys can get locked in with everything for $149. It will all be $199 starting February 1st. So you guys have an opportunity to get grandfathered in at that cost. Once you guys are locked in at $149, that's it. It's $149. You're locked in, grandfathered in at that cost. It's absolutely phenomenal that you guys can get it for that low of price going until next Wednesday, okay? And Karen, yeah, you can do this. Anything, if you don't understand anything, that's exactly what this platform is for. It's so simple. You plug in, you start from not knowing anything, and you're going to learn a little bit every single day, okay? We're going to walk you through. We have an amazing community for you. And then Chantel with the scanners, actually, I have the pleasure, Chantel, we're going to get your question answered. We have some of the top traders on this platform here with us tonight that are going to give you guys an in-depth look. Now, guys, when I got connected to Matt Thayer, to Mr. Matty Pips, as some of you know him, about 8 months ago, we started building a friendship first, talked a little business. Guys, I worked with him in previous platforms, and to watch what he's been able to do inside this industry, okay, is absolutely crazy, okay? Matt actually, from afar, like he was a mentor to me and to my organization, and we saw so many people simply learning how to make money inside the foreign exchange market, okay? Because for some people, it's really foreign, and he took it and he simplified it, and so did Mr. Nes Velasquez, who's on this call as well. So guys, I'm going to pass it over to the man himself, the myth, the legend. He's an absolute go. I'm so grateful for him because I wouldn't be here today if he wasn't the person that he was, guys. He's one of the realest people I've ever met. He's so humble, and he's out here to serve, and he's going to show you guys exactly what you're going to get out of this platform. So Matt, take it away, my brother. It's all yours.
Appreciate you, man. Awesome job at, going over the platform. You did an amazing job. And yeah, guys, what he just talked about is exactly why you should get started here with us. It's a platform, where I see it as it's simplicity. A lot of people, they get intimidated by trading. They get intimidated by the idea of leveraging their money in the markets. And it's okay. But what I love about this platform of Akashx, guys, it really can give you that self-confidence. It can give you that feeling that, hey, I'm a part of a community. I'm a part of something that will actually walk me through step by step and help me have success. Because at the end of the day, when I was involved in other trading companies, guys, I tried my best to create a strategy that could help people understand how to trade in the most simplest forms and the simplest ways. And I was able to create a very, very profitable, very great strategy. And I'm super excited, guys, that, I'm actually going to announce that my daily choice, Akashx, is actually going to house a binary strategy, guys, that's actually, I believe, almost 10 times better than that said strategy. And you guys are all going to have access to it. So I'm so excited for that. And, Josh really has a great vision with the rest of the platform, making it so you guys have access to real people that have had real results. And you get to go through their academies and you get to actually learn from them. And you get to actually learn their strategies. You get to learn how they trade, and you get to, learn, their steps. Because at the end of the day, if you want to be successful, if you want to be good at anything, you have to follow people that have exactly what you want. And if you can learn from them, if you can do what they do, eventually, guys, you're going to have those same exact results. And I am so excited because I'm able to have my first mentor in the trading game on this call here with me, guys. A lot of you guys know him as well. If you guys could please go ahead, drop some 777s in the chat for Mr. Ness Vasquez, guys. This guy was my very, very first mentor, guys. I learned everything. I remember sitting and watching my very, very first session, guys. And I was sitting in my 2-bedroom apartment. I had a makeshift table. I was sitting on a pink little laptop, and I actually hopped on my very, very first session, guys. And he hopped on, and it was entertaining. It was fun. And he's like, all right, guys, we're gonna make some money. And if you're not having fun, well, you aren't gonna have any funds. And I'm like, all right, well, that makes sense. And he's like, if you don't pay attention, you ain't going to get paid. And he said a couple of those things. And I was like, you know what? That's good. And I remember hopping on that first session, guys, and I was on a demo account, and I won I think $20 or $25. And I was so excited. And I was thinking to myself, and my business partner at the time was thinking, well, what are you so excited about? That's not even real money. Like you made $25 on the computer screen, but that's not even real money. And I'm like, you don't understand. That was so duplicatable. That was so easy to do. All I had to do was literally just listen, pay attention, and just do what he did. And I got the same exact results as him. I don't even know what I did. I just listened, and I was able to see results. And that's why I got so excited about binary options, why I got so excited about trading, was because of this man right here. So Ness, if you're there, bro, I'd love to share the screen with you. I'd love to, spotlight both of our videos, and we can attack this session together. I also would love to hear your story. And, if you want to share with these guys before we jump into it. But guys, one more time, type some 7s in the chat for Mr. Ness. And it's about to go down. That's right. That's about to go down.
Wow. First and foremost, Maddie, every time you speak, man, I get really, really, really excited. I'm over here in my office in Orlando. This is the war room. This is my war room, and the next room is a podcast. So, I got to have you come down, get featured on this podcast. I appreciate everybody that's here right now, and everyone on the call right now, to include Nick, Alina, and Maddie, man. It's just crazy because I remember seeing your rise, seeing your come up, and it got me so excited. And you know what? Not only did you take advantage of what you had access to, but you took it to another level, man. And now you're the teacher. Now you're the top dog. And I salute you, bro. Completely, man. And it's just an honor, pleasure. So, ladies and gentlemen, I'll go through my story real quick. All right, I'll go through my story real quick, but basically this is what it is, right? Born and raised in New York, Bronx, Queens, and whatnot. And then, as I was going through life, I went to the United States military. I was in the active army. Then shortly after that, I wanted to do something different with my life. So I went back to school, started to study video arts technology. And then that's when I got my way into the TV and film industry. And while working in the TV and film industry, I was putting in 16-hour days, just working as, one of the individuals, part of the staff. I was a production assistant, key production assistant. I had to be the first one on set, the last one to leave set. And although I had a lot of amazing experiences, the pay wasn't really all that at all for me, And so one of my friends, he introduced me to the home-based business. I never heard of residual income. I was like, yo, you know what? Let me try this out. Why is it people, aren't doing this? Why is it a lot of people aren't doing this? So I decided, you know what? Let me go and let me try something different. That led to doors opening. That led to other doors opening, made a residual income, got to full-time, got to 6 figures. All right. Then got to multiple 6-figure residual income. And then a friend of mine came to me in 2015 and was like, listen, you know how to make money. All right. You know how to do your thing as an online entrepreneur, but do you know how to put your money to work for you? When he asked me that was Julian Kushner. When he asked me that, all right, I was like, damn, I don't know how to put my money to work for me. All right. I was always the type to close deals, get my residuals and put my money in certain investments, but I was hands off with it. But I didn't know myself how to put my money to work for me. So I'm glad I said yes to learning how to trade. It started with stocks, then it went to stock options. That eventually led to regular Forex. I was beasting with the scalping on Forex. So once I found binary options and I figured out how I could transition from scalping Forex to binary, I think I muted myself, and I got my formula down packed. Then I started running with it, man. And, Maddie was there in the beginning as he saw the rise of popularity in binary options, and he was there right by my side the whole time. We impacted hundreds of thousands of lives together. But what we're about to do here is we are about to impact millions of lives. And I think we knew that in the last couple of weeks, especially with Josh Swagel working really hard behind the scenes and the teams to put together the new upgraded Akashx system in a record-breaking time. That alone showed us that we are in the right place. We found the right home, right? And we are going to absolutely explode with this thing. My boy Maddie, back over to you.
Yeah, and guys, just I want you guys to really realize that when I got started trading binary options, Ness already surpassed $1 million and was teaching people all over the world. So for you guys to be on this call right now, I want you to realize just because we've had the success that we've been able to have, and just because we're on here teaching you guys, doesn't mean that you can't become us, if not even better than us. Because a lot of times, guys, the teacher can teach the student, but the student eventually can become the teacher. You guys on here, just because you're new, just because you're just getting started, it does not mean that you can't catch up to us, guys, that you can't actually do better than us. Because here's the law. The law is Ness did it first, but he cut the learning curve for me. And I was able to learn a lot faster because I was able to learn from someone that already went out and accomplished high goals. Now, I went out and did it in a fraction of the time, but guess what? Now you get to learn from us together and get to do it even faster and get to do it in a freakish way, guys. And we're super excited to be here to teach you guys. Ness is already an educator. I believe Ness already has like 14 videos for you guys to go through and learn how he trades, how he looks at the market, how he utilizes his strategies. And I believe you go live also, don't you, on Tuesdays and Thursdays, right? At 7 or 8?
Yes, so Tuesdays and Thursdays at 7 p.m. Eastern Standard Time.
So yeah, guys, you have access to Ness. You'll have access to me as well. We have 20 other highly qualified educators, guys, that will help you learn various styles of trading. But I'm excited, guys. I'm going to share my screen really quick, and I'm going to actually show you what the binary options strategy is going to look like, guys. So it's right here. It is done. It is ready to go. It's going to be launched. It's going to be released on February 1st. It's exciting, guys, because at the end of the day, so the way that me and Ness trade and the way that, we look at the market is we just look at the market and we have to make a decision whether we believe the market is going to go up or down in the next couple minutes. Now, sometimes people trade a little bit longer. Some people trade 10 minutes, 15 minutes. For me personally, I only take 3 minutes. I think, Ness, do you take 5? Sometimes I think you take 15 minutes sometimes. But the strategy, guys, is going to have not only 5-minute time frames, but it's also going to have a 15-minute time frame. It's also going to have an hour time frame. And what we have found is that this strategy is usable on all currencies, cryptocurrencies, on all time frames. And you can actually utilize this strategy, guys, to trade traditional Forex, to trade binary options, guys. This strategy is so powerful. And really what it is it's a hybrid. It's a hybrid of Ness's original strategy and my strategy. So really it's together as one. And it's the most powerful form of a strategy, guys, that I've ever seen on the market in my entire life. And it's going to be yours, guys, on February 1st. So the way it works, it's very, very simple, guys. If we look here right now, let me just refresh here. I accidentally hit some buttons. I was playing around with it. It's like auto scaling. There we go. So the way it works, guys, is the arrow right now. So the way it works is it'll be the candle before, but it's actually reflecting towards the next candle. So if it says an up arrow here, buy guys 3 points, it's actually pointing to this right here. So even though it's the candle before, it doesn't mean that that was the opportunity. It's actually, this is the opportunity that you would be looking for. So I'm going to show you guys in real time what that means. And in essence, if you see an opportunity or if you see something, feel free to take the screen. But here's a great example right here. So right here, it says down arrow, sell 3 points. This is a brand new opportunity. You guys can see over here, it says a few seconds ago. Now, the way that we trade,
guys, look at this.
Right? So it's very simple, guys. 3 is good, 4 is great, 5 is an amazing trade setup. So 3, a lot of times is like, hey, it's starting to set up. It's a good trade. You can take it. A lot of times the market will reverse. It will go in your direction. You can take a trade, guys. You guys can see it over here too. There's a 3-point buy. Look what happened. Price went up. So this is an example of a 3-point sell. And yes, it is going down, but guess what? If it stays in this area and you don't take it, and then the next candle opens up, a lot of times it'll actually become a 4-point trade. And then sometimes it'll become a 5-point trade. So it's just a very, very simple and easy way to actually read the market. Now, over here on the right-hand side, you can see which trades are 3s, what trades are 4s. Right now, every single opportunity, guys, is just a 3-point trade. Look at this one, though. This is a 3-point sell. Look at this candle, guys. You would have gotten in right here and prices all the way down here. Now, the way that we trade is we're just predicting which way we believe the market's going to go. So if I'm on NZD USD and I'm using a platform like Pocket Option, well, this is what would happen. I would type in NZD USD, guys. There's only OTC on Pocket Options right now. That's all right. So OTC, guys, is a synthetic market. It's not a real market. So we can't really look at the market. But here's another one, NZD CAD. Again, 3-point sell, it dropped. Look at that. So let's see if NZD CAD is a normal pair. It's not. Okay. So NZD CAD's not on Pocket Option. Let's check out NZD CHF. So I'm guessing all the NZD pairs must have just dropped. So this was a 3-point trade, guys, but this was 7 minutes ago. So this would be a new opportunity right here. So it's still so since this didn't gray out, that just means that it's still a 3-point trade still going. So you could have taken this right here, GBP CHF. So GBP CHF. There we go. This one's not OTC. So this is what would have happened here, guys. Let's look. So you would have taken the trade here at, so I always call it the last 3 digits, 253, 253. Let's look at what's up here. This is 244. So most likely you would have taken this trade like right around in this area. And to win the trade, guys, it just has to go in the direction that you're predicting. So since it's giving you a down arrow, guys, you would have pressed this right here. And then the next 3 minutes would have went by and you would have cleared the trade. So we're going to look for trades in real time. But I just wanted to show you guys an example of how the strategy works. Now here's XRP USD. Here's gold. You guys can trade gold.
Yeah,
There's a
I'm looking
bunch
at
of different
gold right now on the I'm looking at gold and it looks like it's setting up real nicely right now on the scanner.
Yeah. Yeah, if you would like to share the screen too, you want to show anything?
Yeah, I got you. All right. All right. Okay, can you guys see that? So look at this right here. This is gold. Actually, no, this is XRP USD.
Yeah.
All right. So this is Ripple. And as you can see, this is a nice, beautiful setup. And the way how we designed the scanner is once the parameters met to where it's time for you to at least look for an opportunity, it's going to give you, all right, the points that you need, all right, because basically it's going to prepare you to anticipate the next move. Now, one of the things that we found with a lot of other scanners as we go through the industry and we kind of see the weaknesses of other people and other things, we realize that it's happening in real time with a lot of those scanners. So by the time people catch it, they lose it. But we design our scanners in a way where if the setup is looking just right, like an alley-oop, right? All you have to do is identify the opportunity and slam dunk it. All right. Once you got your hand on the ball. So that's basically how we designed it.
So you're right here, Euro CHF, guys. We got a 3-point sell right now. Price kind of stayed up, right? There's 5 seconds left. So really what we could do is we could go to Euro CHF right now and we could actually go ahead and take this because this next candle is about to open up, guys. This is still going to be a 3-point trade. So I'm going to enter this real quick. I'm actually going to enter on Euro CHF because I think that this next candle is now going to go down. It's also on the 45-minute candle. So every 15 minutes, a lot of times there's a reversal as well. So this is where right now price should work its way down. I'd like to see, obviously, a 4-point trade. That's really what you want to look for. We're at 3 right now. So I'm going to enter this, but here's GBP CAD as well. Another nice setup on GBP CAD. Let's check it out. GBP CAD. So this is another nice setup here. We got that's a beautiful setup. So I'm going to enter also on GBP CAD. So I'm in on GBP CAD. I'm in on Euro CHF right now. All right. So the way that we win a trade is price just has to be lower than where we entered. So if we look at both of these pairs right now, guys, on GBP CAD, we're getting a down arrow, 3 points. We got a red cloud, cross down. Look at this. It's already starting to drop. Look at that, guys. We're in profit right now. It's going to start melting. Euro CHF, same thing, starting to melt. Let's go, baby. Both of them in profit right now, guys. GBP CAD and also Euro CHF, guys. Both are in profit. Hopefully you guys were able to enter those. Both called out by the scanner. How easy is this, guys? How easy is this? Let's go, baby. I'm telling you guys, this scanner is going to be a game changer for all of you.
Here we go. Look at that. And this is just the sample, guys. Look at this. And look, you see the countdown, right? Because when you enter a time expiration and you combine it with the scanner, your effectiveness in the market is just going to be, it's going to be different. Look at this. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and bam, there you go. And listen, ladies and gentlemen, these scanners are just the scanner that we have for you right now on February 1st, and all the other ones that we have working behind the scenes that we're going to deliver to you as well. Listen, it's next level. All right, it's next level. So what would you do if you knew? What would you do if you knew you had access to a powerful system like this? How far would you go? How far are you willing to go? So that's something that that everyone needs to have in their mind right now, especially when it comes to this, right? This is going to position you a lot better, more effectively in the markets, as opposed to you trying to figure it out all by yourself. How many times,
Boom.
Maddie, do we have people asking us for our settings, for our parameters, for this, for that, right? But if it's plug and play and you trade, well, sky's the limit.
Yeah, I just cleared Euro CHF. If you guys cleared Euro CHF, type some $ in the chat. Type your profits in the chat, guys. About to clear GBP CAD as well. 20 seconds left. About to clear here, guys. So what's crazy about, obviously the way that we trade, guys, I risked 400, but I could have risked 500. I could have risked 600, 700, 800, 900. And I could have risked more based on my account, guys. But, we don't over leverage. We don't risk too much because obviously we don't win every single trade that we take. But I just made $416, guys, in 3 minutes. What else in this world can you make $416 in 3 minutes? I'll wait, because there's nothing else out there unless you're at the casino playing blackjack. Like, there's just nothing. So we have, guys, how hard was that? I literally opened up the scanner, I looked at what it told me, and I took the trade. How hard was that? And then you guys, you have the best of the best at being able to call these trades out. You have the guy that I learned from, the guy that has massive, massive success in this field. And then you have his student, me, that went out and did the same exact thing. I am a direct reflection of that it works. So if it works for us, why can't it work for you? And we're offering you guys everything for $149. That's insane value. And we're not even talking about everything else that Akashx offers. We're talking to, guys, 20 other educators that are insanely good at what they do. The value of part of Akashx, guys, is unprecedented. Like, you have such an amazing opportunity here, guys, and it's going to be a lot of fun. I mean, I literally showed you guys in real time 2 trades that cleared, not even close. Everyone should have won those trades. Please type your profits in the chat. I want to see some profits right now. Everyone should have cleared. We got $50. We got $360. We got another 50, 112. Wow, let's go. 2-0, $80, $45, $50, $100.
100, let's go. Let's go. We even got a 250, man. It's all good. It's all good. $50, $75.
Man, some people paid their tuition. They paid their tuition for the month.
Mm-hmm.
All right, guys. Well, I love it. Ness, I don't know if you want to add anything else, if you want to keep looking.
Definitely. I think we basically showed them how we could surgically get in and out of the market with the back. We did it in such a surgical way that it's incredible. And then, you already saw through what Nick was showing you. But long story short, okay, there's so many other things you could do. So for those of you that are traders, you could create your own group within Akashx, right? So you know how every team has a couple of people and they want to prove themselves to be traders and they want to create a track record. They could do it right here on the community chat. They don't need to go nowhere else. No telegrams, no discords, none of that. You could do it all right here in Akashx. Literally create your own trading community. So right now you see this, but in the next few months, next 6 months, this is going to be blowing up like in an unbelievable way, right? Look at the live schedule, okay? And how interactive it is. Hold on, this is making me sign in again. You look at the live schedule and you see how interactive it is. It is incredible, right? And you have quite a few educators on English and Spanish. So if you have markets, all right, that speak Spanish, well, guess what, ladies and gentlemen, we have something for everybody here. Okay, and I'm really more excited about the resources and tools. We have our very own crypto exchange. So if you're a crypto lover, we have our own crypto exchange. You get your debit card with this and so much more. MetaTrader, WebTrader right here. Practice chart for TradingView right here. But the scanners, as you already saw, is simple plug and play. So everyone that gets involved right now for 149 will be grandfathered in. Right? In February, The price is going to go up. Yesterday's price is not today's price. Scanners coming out February 1st. So you right now can have access for just simply $149. Let me tell you something, ladies and gentlemen. What you see here right now, okay, is already incredible. But what you are about to see on a quarterly basis, when we release all the updates we want to release, we're going to be so ahead of the game. We're going to be blazing trails. We're going to be putting a dent in this universe with what we have to offer. So yes, get access to Akashx, and if you share the business, you can cash checks. And
I like that, man. This guy's always got the best slogans, the best sayings. Man, type some sevens in the chat for that. That's lit. I love it, guys. We're having fun. This is supposed to be fun. You know, we just enjoy what we do, guys. We're on here. You know, money's not the issue. We're not doing this for the money. We're not doing this because we need to. We're doing this because we love seeing you guys succeed. We love seeing you guys win. We love seeing you guys grow. We love seeing you guys share your stories of being able to pay bills, to pay off, your cars, pay off your houses, travel the world with your family. Like, that's what drives us every single day, guys. And it's weird how this all worked, how this all came together. Now, so I'm going to kind of share how this even came about. I flew down to Vegas. I didn't even know Ness was going to be a part of this, guys. I flew down to Vegas because I wanted to meet Josh. I wanted to kind of see the corporate office. I wanted to see how all the operations worked. And I walked through the door, and the guy that was sharing this with me, he says, "Hey, do you know a guy named Ness Viquez?" And I'm like, "Yeah, I know who that is." He's like, "Oh, he's looking at My Daily Choice as well." I'm like, "What, really?" So I text Ness. I'm like, "Ness, you looking at My Daily Choice?" He's like, "Yeah, bro, I'm already in." I'm like, "What? This is crazy." Talk about divine intervention, guys. Talk about God's will. Talk about, the universe. There's a reason why we're all here, guys. There's a reason why we all made the same decision. Ness was working on his own thing. I saw what he was doing. He was working on his own platform. He was working on, creating his own community. But there's a reason why he saw value with My Daily Choice and with Akashx. Same for me, guys. I was doing my own platform last year. I had my own MattyPips.com. I was teaching people. I was making plenty of money. But I missed this. I missed the camaraderie. I missed the business building. I missed traveling and touring and speaking. And I think that's where Ness sat as well, is we wanted to come together, guys, and it just worked out perfectly. And we're all here together. We're going to help all of you guys. I hope you guys had fun tonight, because we really did just show you how easy it really is, because it is that easy. Now, obviously, we don't win every single trade we take. It's just humanly impossible. It's AI impossible. It's computer impossible to win every single trade that you take. But guess what? We do win more than we lose. And that's why we're always growing. So, guys, thank you so much for hopping on. Ness, if you want to close it out, you can, bro. Again, I appreciate you, man. And I love that we're working together, bro.
Man, I appreciate you too. I appreciate Nick. I appreciate Alina. I appreciate everybody in your squad. I Transform, I Trade. I appreciate everybody in my squad. MOB, let's go. We still in the building. So, I'm just happy and grateful to be here, ladies and gentlemen. Let me tell you something. Like, if you're not having fun with this, you're doing it wrong. Okay. This is supposed to be fun. This is something that is supposed to make you feel good. All right. Positivity. All right. Productivity. All right. And profitability. That's what it's supposed to be. The 3 Ps. Right. And if something isn't aligning with those 3 Ps, all right, then you need to look in this direction. Okay. Get started with Akashx. Get back to the person who invited you. All right. To take a look at this inside look, at this exclusive inside look, and beg them for their referral link, because this right now to me is like Bitcoin in 2009. This right now to me is like Apple before the iPhone. This right now to me is like Windows before they went through momentum. Amazon before they became the gigantic iconic company that it became. Listen, right now, My Daily Choice, I believe, will be the Amazon, all right, of the digital space, okay? And I don't believe things happen by chance. I believe things happen for a reason. We see what's going on in the world. We see the meltdowns that are happening in the economy here and there. We see the unemployment rates. We see all the things that are going on. But you know what? This is a skill set a skill set that you could pick up that's recession proof, a skill set you could learn, right? Harness the power of, and it don't matter how volatile the world is, right? You could position yourself effectively and be able to pickpocket in the markets, ladies and gentlemen. You can do that. So do yourself the biggest favor you ever done for yourself in your entire life and get yourself a Akashx today. This is not about the transaction. Me and Maddie, we could trade for the rest of our lives, lock ourselves in a room, and we'll be all right forever. This is not about the transaction. This is about the transformation. Get a Akashx immediately, and let's impact the world in a positive way together. 1 million traders by the end of 2023.
I love it. I love it. You guys have a great night. You heard it. Let's go. See you guys next call. Peace.